Welcome back to the channel. We're continuing our coverage of a landmark moment for India's defense sector, a significant step towards self-reliance. As we discussed in our previous segment, the first rear fuselage for the Light Combat Aircraft Mk1A, or LCA Mk1A, was delivered by an Indian private company to Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. This historic handover, in Bengaluru, Karnataka, was graced by Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh and Chief of Air Staff Air Chief Marshal AP Singh, among other dignitaries. This event marks a crucial milestone in India's journey towards Aatmanirbharta, self-reliance, in defense manufacturing. Raksha Mantri credited the bravery and dedication of the air warriors and the equipment being manufactured by Indian public and private sectors for the growing strength of the Indian Air Force. He emphasized, while our courageous air warriors have made an invaluable contribution, the equipment being manufactured indigenously is providing them the added strength with which they protect our borders. He also expressed confidence that HAL and the private sector will continue to overcome every challenge and bolster the armed forces in every way. The fuselage, the main body of the aircraft, is vital for housing the pilot, passengers, and cargo, while the rear fuselage supports the tail section. This collaboration between HAL and Alpha Tocol Engineering Services, a private company, demonstrates the power of public-private partnerships in boosting India's defense capabilities. It's important to note that HAL has placed orders on various Indian private companies, including L&T, Tata Advanced Systems, VEM Technologies, and Lakshmi Mission Works, for supplying major modules for the 83 LCA Mk1A contract. HAL has already manufactured 12 LCA Mk1A rear fuselages, which are on the aircraft in the manufacturing line. With this supply from the private sector, a major structure module will be integrated into the LCA Mk1A aircraft, enabling HAL to meet additional delivery commitments for the Indian Air Force from 2025-26 onwards. The LCA Mk1A is a critical component of India's air power. This successful collaboration between public and private sectors not only enhances our defense capabilities but also opens new avenues for manufacturing and R&D. This milestone is a testament to India's growing strength in defense manufacturing. What are your thoughts on this achievement and the role of public-private partnerships? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on India's defense advancements. See you in the next video.